Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste multiple rows in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have some data set. So here I'm going to copy multiple row. Normally you just select, suppose I want to select here 5 to 10 row number. So I select here the first cell and drag with the mouse and select this 5 to 10 row number. Okay. Then I use the Control C and select the destination where I want to paste and paste here the Control V. Okay. So here the multiple rows is copy paste. And the second way, suppose if you have a large data with the multiple columns and your data is too large, so you can not drag with the mouse to entire row. Okay. For that, just select the one cell. Okay, and use the shift control and right arrow. When you press the right arrow, the entire row is selected. Then you can, if you want to select the entire below data, you just press the down arrow. Okay, hold the key shift and hold a shift and control. Okay, and if you want to select the entire up data, you just press up arrow. Okay, so this is a selection. Okay. So now I want to select only 5 to 10 row number. So I just unhold the control key. Okay. I hold only shift key here. Okay. Then I click the down arrow. Okay. Here I press the down arrow to select the 5 to 10 row number. Okay. So if you want to select more, you can press just down arrow. Okay. Then just press the Control C and select the cell where you want to paste and use the Control V to paste this data. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.